Okay, here's the question then. Part A and Part B. Let's have a look at it. So I'm going to move Part B out of the way to start with before we do Part B. Move Part B out of the way. Let's have a look at this. So A, stationary point, then differentiate this, df dx. Log of something goes to 1 over the something, function of a function rule, multiplied by the something differentiated, 6x minus 2. Next term, power rule, let that equal 0. So there's a 2 common here, isn't there? Move the 8x over, and then when I move that over, I'm going to move this up to times in one fell swoop. There's a 2 common both sides. 4 3s times x is 12x cubed. Minus 8x squared minus 4x. So what does that tell us then? We've got 12x cubed minus 8x squared minus 7x when we move this over to be with it, plus 1 will equal 0, which is what we wanted to show in the line above here. So part B. Now the solution of that equation is now, which we can call g of x, has a root here when it's rearranged using an integration formula. So we need to type this in with our start value of minus 0.6. So let's put in minus 0.6 into answer. And then we'll write this formula. So it's that power third. And inside the power third is a top value divided by 12, isn't it? And in the top value is 8 times ants squared plus 7 times ants minus 1. So if we press equals now, we get our first x1 value, 57823. 57823 minus 0 point, of course, x2. Just press equals again, 58258. 8258 x3, press equals again, 58177, and x4 will equal, press equals again, 58192, 8192. And that equals minus 0.5819, doesn't it? To 4 decimal places. Okay, that's our root value for this equation above, which we can call g of x. So let g of x then equal 12x cubed minus 8x squared minus 7x plus 1. Let's just bring this down here. So we want to show this had a root. So I'll plonk it down here. And we need to work out the root then that passes through this value. So we'll need minus 0.58185, won't we? And we'll need g of minus 0.58195. And if it changes sign, we'll know there will be a root to 4dp equal to minus 0.5819. So we'll need to tap that in the calculator then. 12x cubed, so it's 12 times x cubed minus 8 times x squared minus 7 times x plus 1. That's what I think it is. Put in our first value then. Minus 0.58185. 185 there. Minus 0.58185 there. and minus 0.58185. Okay, so we get 7.348 times 10 to the minus 4. 7.348 times 10 to the minus 4, which is positive. And here, greater than or equal to 0, in other words, greater than 0 rather. Okay, this one, now let's try this one. So that was 8.5, let's try 9.5. So we just change the 8.5 to 9.5. And hopefully it comes out positive and job done. And the next place equals, oh, that was positive, this one was negative, minus 7.15 times 10 to the minus 4, wasn't it, which is negative. Just have a quick check, yeah, that's right. So change of sign. Occurs, and alpha is equal to minus 0.5819 to 4 decimal places. Let's just look at the solutions quickly. Change of sign occurs, yeah, minus 0.5819. These are the reiteration values, hopefully I've got them right, and pi was okay.